Welcome back to another video. Today we solve the medium level question, the last person to fit in the bus. So we have a table, have a name Q, and the question asks of the pupil, there is a queue of a pupil waiting to board a bus. However, the bus has a weight limit 1000 kilogram. So there may be some people who cannot board it. Okay. So they want to find a solution of the last person that can fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. Okay, and the test case are generated such that the first person does not exceed the weight limit. So we don't have to think about the first person about the weight and all. So like they gives us some explanation. They order the turn like in the test case. Now we have a table, person id, person name, weight and turn. Okay, so in explanation if you see, they order by turn and ascending order, and they sum the running sum, cumulative sum of the each weight using the turn. Okay, so this is very simple and very interesting question if you see. So what our first target, we have to find these two things only, the name and the total weight. Okay, so our target is to find the name and the sum of the cumulative sum of weight, okay, as a total weight. So select person name and we want sum of weight on what basis, over order by turn and as total weight from this table, from the Q table. Okay, so let's see first what it return. Okay, then after we decide the limit the 1000 kg. So let's see what it return. So good, it return the person name and the total weight. Okay, so now our another query is, we have to find the person name who has either the weight, the total weight is 1000 kilo or less than 1000 kilo. Okay, not exceed the 1000 kilo, as they want the last person to board cannot boarded like the can fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. Okay, so let make it, this is common table like a temporary table. So we making this as with city as, and now what we have to get from here, so select person name from city where total weight is less than or equal to 1000 kilo. Okay, and we have to order by our total weight in descending order, so that where the 1000 kilo or less than 1000 kilos matches is moved to the first order, and we have to find the one, so that is why we use the limit one. Okay, so without limit one, let's see what to return, then we'll see what should we have to do so that we get the desired output. Okay, total weight order by from city where total weight, there is a problem. Now see, okay, so see, it return John Cena, Alex and Alice. Okay, so we want the first only, so that is why the limit one. I hope you guys understand this question and the query as well what I wrote here. So thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for the next video. I am continuously uploading these